Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add GitHub gist to your WordPress page or post, and we are going to use Beaver Builder HTML module for that. Okay, so log into your WordPress and go to the page where you wish to display that GitHub gist. Okay, and we are going to open that page in Beaver Builder. Okay, make sure to edit the page, and once that page loads, you have to click on edit with Beaver Builder or launch Beaver Builder. Okay, now next thing would be to launch the module. Okay, now here you see when you click on this plus icon, it should load the basic modules, and here you have to drop this HTML module here. Okay, now so that once it is loaded, go to your GitHub gist and copy the embed code. Simply click on copy and then paste in your HTML module, then save this. Okay, and then once saved, as you can see from the top option here, it says saved and edited. Again, click on done and publish. Okay, now we can refresh it, and here you see once you refresh it, you will find GitHub gist loaded on that particular HTML module. Okay, you can do this with any gist of yours. Simply use this embed script and add it in HTML module. Okay, so you get the idea how to display GitHub gist with your Beaver Builder HTML module.